Hi everyone, this is Wouter. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Lanced, and this video is part of our How to Use Lanced series. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can track your applications and how you can also edit an existing application. So we're here in our dashboard, and if you want to go and see your applications, you go into the side panel and you click Applications. Now you can then see all your applications, and again there is a navigation where you can see, okay, I'm still waiting for these, I'm invited or I'm rejected. There's a little hint, the colors there, orange means waiting, red means rejected, and green means invited. So let's see, I want to change my Cirque du Soleil application. I can just see first, this is the call again. And here I can see, okay, what is my application? So click View Application. So we've already seen this before in another video where I applied to this job with this specific portfolio. This is the video that I have, this is the experience and all of that. But let's say I want to add another video, right? Now I click Edit. And now all of this becomes changeable, let's say. So if you want to add experience, you click add. If you want to add education there, and so on and so on and so on. So I just removed the video. Let's say I want to add more videos to it. So I just go and click media. I'm going to click the video again, but I'm going to add some extra videos in there to see how this looks like. I'm going to go to my application. Now here I can see different videos all in there, and with the cross I can just remove it. Of course, I can change my motivation to something a little bit longer. And yes, if I want to add more media, I can click, and I can also click and say, okay, I also want that photo. And now is that photo also in? And then you just resubmit. Now, so of course, the smartest thing to do is to, if you want to edit your application, to do this before people are starting to review. So make sure that you do this before the deadline, right? To keep safe. So because otherwise you don't want to wait too long before people already start the reviewing process of your application. But that was how you keep track of your applications and how you also edit your current and existing applications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.